My fault.
No, dude. No. Dude! Stop.
Thanks.
Here I am.
You know the funny thing is pictures don't do it any justice at all.
Nope, they don't.
Rick, you gonna go stand on a corner or what?
Hold on. Hang on a minute.
Moving on my arm.
Ronnie,
Yes.
hang on.
Ronnie, wait!
It's all right.
You're such a...
Famous last word.
Yeah.
Ace says you're all right. Yeah, he's good.
Your seat fell off.
I told him my seat wasn't hooked. He goes, I told you!
Steve.
How
Good
funny.
thing you weren't in it.